I'll grow it for 2 weeks.
You'll grow a beard for how long is that?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
If you do it for 2 weeks.
Let's do the fungus fortnight.
What's that?
Everybody starts clean shaven.
Yeah.
You have to be clean shaven at the start of the fortnight.
Yeah.
And then at the end of the fortnight, you see who's got the best beard.
Do you stop changing your clothes as well?
No, it's not the fungus fortnight like that. It's just because it looks like fungus. An average beard like me.
I will show you if the web works. I will show you a picture.
Beard o'clock.
Beard o'clock. So here, let's so pull up a chair, Elliot, and let's have a quick chat about Fungus Week. I mean, Matt. Cool,
I
yeah.
tried it last year. It wasn't that. Oh, here we go. My God, there's pictures already on carsonified. No, the world does not need to see me with a beard, please.
I think they do.
This is part of my
This is you, like.
pending
So here,
sponsorship.
turn around a little bit because I can't see the logo.
If anyone at Sennheiser's would like to send
Elliot wants to get Sennheiser to sponsor him.
595s, please.
Yeah. Okay. Done. So where's your beard pictures?
Did you have a beard?
Keir?
Hello. We could call him Kid.
Yeah, I like that. That's good. Well, once you find it, let me know, and I'll tell the world about it. Cool. So developers. So give the world a quick update on the current technical status of Matt.
Well, alright.
We might have sound problems. Let's adjourn to the beanbag room real quick.
Final demand.
Oh. Found what? Oh, cool. Holy beard bat,
Please
man.
do not finish that. That's just me.
And you have a drink in your hand.
That's the kind of drunk beard.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, I think I'm having a fly issue here. I'm having a slight fly problem here. Okay, we're good. Cool. So I've got 2 beanbags for you guys. Oh, so here, sit over here just for lighting purposes.
I'm Alex and he's Kid.
All right, cool. So guys, tell me how things are going, and feel free to talk technical.
Well, we've managed to get Python and Django running properly on both of our machines, and set it up.
Considering we've never really used it.
Start, which is
Cool.
great.
So where are we hosting?
We'll be using web, locally, and then web faction.
Yep. Want to hold that for a second?
We've had some problems with MySQL running on OS X, so if somebody could fix that, that'd be great. But we're using
SQLite 3.
Thank you, man. Sorry, signing invoices. Okay.
which is good. So that'll be interesting when we have to run it live and change databases, which should be a problem.
So we're running, you're running MySQL locally,
SQLite 3.
SQLite locally, and then on the server we're going to run MySQL.
Yep.
Wow. So that's going to be potential for serious problems, isn't it?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
No? Cool.
So yeah, and then we basically split the work up into sort of 2 halves. And it's going to be handling the API integration to Twitter.
Cool.
Using the Python Twitter class available on Google Code.
Cool.
And I'm doing more of the front-end forms, which effectively at this stage will just write to a database.
Cool.
Which will then query loop over to
Wow,
Twitter.
so Google has written something that we're using.
No, it's just hosted on Google Code.
Oh, interesting. Oh, okay.
Code.google.com.
Cool. So it's just what's a class in Django?
Well, it's a Python class, yeah.
Specifically for Twitter API.
Yeah.
Which is really, really cool, because it means that there's quite a bit of code that we don't have to sort of mess around with.
So what's an example of something you don't have to write that you would have had to do?
Well, we don't have to wrap our RESTful interface response.
No, it's basically all comes back
Cool.
encode as objects from the Twitter API.
Yeah.
Nice. So you're talking about the cron job and your sort of ID behind that. Walk us through why we're doing that.
Well, when you make a post to a whole lot of Twitter accounts, it takes time for each each request to go through the Twitter API, and the Twitter API is reasonably slow. So what we needed to do was, instead of having them all work on one request, which would be a nice blank page, or you do Ajax and asynchronous bits like that, we decided to have them in a queue. So once you post to Matt, it's going to say it's pending for each different account, and we'll go through and put these pending tweets in a queue that we access every 15-20 minutes, something like this.
Cool.
And, so yeah, we run through that queue once in a while and send them all.
Cool. And so what happens if it fails like halfway through the cron job?
The tweets will still be in the queue. They won't be saved as having been sent.
Cool.
And basically the next cron job instance, we pick them all up and send them all again.
Cool. Fab. So what do you guys anticipate being probably your biggest hurdle this week?
Probably the integration of accounts and as in how we handle the relationships between logging in, using the Twitter API, and all sort of charge points for that user as well. Probably the cron will be interesting as well. Indeed, that might be the best way of doing it, depending on how server intensive it is.
Cool. So Git or Subversion?
We're using Git. Still learning Git. It's all good fun.
Cool.
Yeah, we like Git.
And we're using Adam Cook's code base, is that right? Why don't you tell everyone what that is? You guys leaving?
I need to ask you a question.
Okay, yeah, go for it.
What's the final demand for the payee thing?
Oh, what is it? Is it a letter?
Yeah, have I got that?
No, it's on her pile. You know where we usually put our stuff on
It's usually in my folder.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I put it on there, on that box by the printer.
The box by the printer.
Yeah. Cool. Sorry.
Yeah. So basically, come up with this code base. It's hosted Git, sorry, not Subversion, ticketing, source browsing, that kind of stuff.
Cool. Fab.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Okay. Thanks, guys. Peace.